evening. Good evening, Zimbabweans. Yeah, especially our politicians, all our politicians. I think the mistake that you, our politicians, we love you, but the problem that you make is that you don't want to work with your technocrats, especially those outside your government and also outside your political parties. You think it's a mistake because the boundary of people who can help you to achieve your political goals, the majority of them, they are not in your political parties. They are not involved in partisan politics. They want to contribute directly to the economic, environmental, and development issues without being involved directly in partisan politics. But now you avoid them. You avoid them. Then when you go out and you promise people, especially on economic performance, that's where the mistake happens, because you don't consult us, the technocrats, the strategists, the meta strategists, the engineers, on what is possible before you go out and promise. So I think the better way of making sure that we achieve our goals, we're able to turn around this economy and return it to prosperity and growth, and also to create and build a peaceful nation where people are focused on their economy and also people are realizing their own personal dreams. We need collective action that also includes the technocrats and the academia and the thinkers, the philosophers, what I call the intellectual workers, the intellectuals. Because if you listen to those people who tell you that the academia and the theorists and the theoreticals, they are not useful in the economy, they don't contribute to anything, it's a very big mistake, because theory is the mother of practice. So the quality of economic results that we produce is a reflection of the theory that we use to produce those economic results. So I'm just encouraging you that don't make the mistake of thinking that you will produce very dramatic economic results by yourself as politicians, or by yourselves and only those technocrats who are in your political parties. There are many people, many of us, we are not very much interested in partisan politics. We just want to look at the national picture, the critical things that can drive our economy forward, that can achieve the goals of sustainable development. And we talk about sustainable development meetings and conferences outside the country, while we don't do much to make sure that our own Zimbabwe is sustainable. So you, our politicians, we love you, but look, let's be honest. You don't continue making the mistake of leaving us out of the loop. Us, the technocrats, us, the thinkers, us, the strategists, us, the academia, us, the intellectuals, us, the theorists. Because if you are misled into thinking that theory is the opposite of practice, it is a mistake. Ask people who are scientists and engineers, and also mathematics and technicians. They know that when we are learning, we first learn the theory and then we apply the theory and to produce the practical results. And also we measure, we compare the practical results against the theory. So theory is important. So don't keep on making the same mistake. Otherwise, this economy will remain struggling because of lack of that theoretical and strategic academic, intellectual input. That is very critical for this. Okay, my name is Simon Berry. plus 2637744474438. Go to our website www.cmeds.org, and also you can send an email to Sustainable Zimbabwe at cmeds.org. CMEDS is ORG. Thank you.